You can see that I'm now sitting in a Legacy Model Y, but now I'm using a Highland steering wheel. So how can we achieve this? So we have implemented a decoding module inside the steering column that you need to plug in, and you also need to change out the whole steering wheel. This is the OEM steering wheel. So this is the old wheel, we're including the old airbag, but now we are using the totally brand new steering wheel. OEM steering wheel, OEM button, and the OEM airbag. For the airbag, you have two options. One is to purchase the completely new OEM airbag, or you can buy a pre-assembled one. You need to modify the steering column cover, sand it off a little bit. If you don't feel comfortable sanding it off yourself, you can buy it from us. We already did the work for you. The installation process is very straightforward. It takes around 20 to 30 minutes with the right tools. So let me try to do a demo for you. So for the new wheel, you get all the new features, like the turning signal, the high beam lights, and on the right side, you can still use your microphone, your wiper, and this is a new feature. When you click it, it will show you the camera. If you want something more, you can also choose our yoke style or Cybertruck style, or even a carbon fiber style steering wheel. To offer more, we have an app for you to do a little bit more settings. So if you connect to the steering wheel, you can choose different functions. You can choose a flashing high beam, a flashing horn, or you can choose the program to use the scroll wheel for AP autopilot control or other function. If you are driving a 2020 or before Model 3 or Model Y, your car probably doesn't have the heated steering wheel feature, and we offer that for you as well. Just toggle this option and your steering wheel will be heated together with your driver's seat. Every time you do a toggling, the steering wheel light will flash once to confirm that the change has been made. The features are preserved, such as the steering wheel lights. If you turn it off, it will get turned off. And if you want to adjust the steering wheel, you can adjust it as well. Even with the new turn signal feature, the existing turn signal stock is still working. Of course, the center horn will work as well. If you like our product, you can also browse our other products like the seat upgrade, electric auto front, or the rear entertainment screen. There are lots of products for you to browse on our site. So this is Raymond from EVOffer. We'll introduce more interesting products to you. I'll see you in the next video.